how to fish and I eat for my lifetime. A very good morning to you, respected chief guest of the day, DJ Master, respected principal, Adam officer, senior master, teachers, and all my dear friends. Today it's I great Sidhu here to bid farewell to our English master, DJ Master. Vijay Kumar sir has been in active service for the past 34 years. He was born on 12th June 1957 in Dakshina Kannada district and he completed his MA in English from Mysore University. And I think our school never knew a teacher would be such dedicated until he stepped onto this campus on 27th July 1983. Since then, he has been working with the greatest sense of sincerity and honesty. As it is said, better than 1,000 days of diligent study is one day with a great teacher. Our batch got a chance to learn under him when we were in class 7th. He made our learning easy and interesting. The animations which he showed us in every room are still unforgettable. And the tours that he escorted were just enjoyable. The international hotels, the delicious food gave a special boost to his tours. He also taught us when we were in class 8th. And I remember incidents when he used to grade our handwriting on a scale of 0 to 10. When one of my friends got 10 out of 10, he just picked a 10 rupees note from his pocket and gifted it. So his ways of encouragement, his ways of teaching were just different and special. He made us learn new things each and every day. And the memories of he taking us to Indoor Stadium on Friday morning assemblies and the video making in the classroom of our extemporary speeches are still fresh in our mind. It is because of him that today we are able to make our parents proud by showing them our activities and achievements in the school. It is because of him that the passed out students are updated with the school levels, and everything is because of his passion, that is videography. And he has shown us the right way of nurturing our passion and how to turn them into great work which is appreciated by everybody. His classes in our class 11 are still much more memorable. He made our childhood come in front of our eyes while teaching childhood lessons, and he just poured his heart out as a father while teaching father to son poem. And his classes not only just included English literature learning, but also included his travelogues, which made his classes much more interesting. If you under any circumstance get a chance to visit his quarters, I bet you can't return without an apple in your hand. Such was the love and generosity that he showed towards his students. Sir, we would really miss these apples from today. Vijay Kumar sir, in his 34 years of career, has produced the best of doctors, best of lawyers, best of engineers, and has shaped the lives of almost 3,000 students. Sir, you may easily find a new set of cool students like us, but it is very difficult to find a teacher who is as dedicated, as knowledgeable as you. Bidding farewell is always tough. Words never prove to be enough. It is difficult to say goodbye to a person who has seen a sapling turn into a huge tree. It is difficult to say goodbye to a person who has seen his school grow step by step and the knowledge that he gained is tremendous. To such a great person, all the bit that I can do is give many thanks with the greatest sense of gratitude. Sir, as you join the seniors of this country, I pray to Lord Almighty for your good health and may you find your life after retirement happy and with beautiful memories. Lastly, I would like to leave the dais by saying a poem on teachers. Like a red gem found in the depth of the earth, you are one of those jewels, of whom there is dearth. Like a prized possession, always kept safe and secure. Your teachings, your words of wisdom, your hard work for the school will make us remember you throughout our lives, sir. Thank you very much.